and welcome to Traf Talk TV, your weekly news bulletin power-packed with stories and information that better your business. This week we bring you a recap of some important news from 2014.
Incredible India website touches 52,000 hits a day.
आज आईआईटी को 2000 इंक्वायरीज 2500 इंक्वायरीज दिन के आ रहे हैं. हमारा वेबसाइट, आपका वेबसाइट 2500 हिट्स पर डे से आज बुरे दिन पे 18,000 वेबसाइट हिट होते हैं, अच्छे दिन पे 54,000 हिट्स हो रहे हैं.
Dubai to levy tourism tax from March 31st. The South India Travel Awards held in Hyderabad on March 27th provided regional recognition for the first time. The Ministry of Tourism, ITDC and FICCI co-organized the first edition of the Incredible India Travel Bazaar in New Delhi.
With the new government in power, the Ministry of Tourism gets a new leader.
देश में टूरिज़्म बढ़ना चाहिए, इसलिए बहुत से इनपुट्स वहाँ डालने पड़ेंगे. एक एक राज्य में टूरिज़्म यदि हम उसको बढ़ावा दे दे ताकि पूरा इंडिया का टूरिज़्म बढ़ जाएगा, और ये टूरिज़्म जितना बढ़ेगा हमारी देश का नाम पूरे वर्ल्ड में फेमस हो जाएगा.
Singapore Airlines brings Airbus A380 to India.
Certainly, you're very proud to be able to bring the A380 to India. I think the market, given the affluence and the demand that has improved over the years, is certainly ready for the A380 operations to Delhi and Mumbai.
Tourism contributes to over $100 billion to India's GDP, says UNWTO. Indians travelling abroad can now carry 25,000 rupees in cash. India Travel Awards ceremony was held in Pune on July 25th at Novotel, Pune.
I'm delighted that the awards are here. As far as Durga Das Publications are concerned, you know that it's a national institution.
Zakir Ahmed is unopposed TAFI president. Cleanliness to be a new category at National Tourism Awards, says Tourism Minister.
जो स्टेट में ज़्यादा म्यूनसिपलिटी क्लीननेस में आगे आएंगे, उस स्टेट को भी हम हवा देने की हमने आज घोषणा की.
Pata Travel Mart 2015 to be held in Bengaluru. FHRAI hosts its 49th convention in Jaipur.
Our commitment is the nation. We support you because you generate employment.
It is indeed heartening to note that the delegates have appreciated the efforts. But behind this effort is not only one man, behind this effort is the full team.
282 international buyers from 60 countries attended the Kerala Travel Mart this year. WeConnect conducts its maiden luxury show. Dr. Lalit K. Panwar takes over as the Tourism Secretary. India Travel Awards East recognizes the best at a glittering award ceremony.
Really, I am happy to learn that DTP in the 30 years has become the leading travel trade publications group of India.
Suman Billa has been appointed as the Joint Secretary of Tourism. Jahangir Katgara wins the WTM World Travel Leaders Award. Traf Talk TV talks to the new tourism minister.
My aim to invite worldwide tourism. Second thing, we'll try to make them secure. Third point will be, we propose to facilitate them that somebody welcomes you there on the tourist place.
Dr. Jyotsna Suri takes over as the new president of FICCI.
I am particularly and personally delighted to be here because Mrs. Suri takes over as the president after a very active term.
I think steps like visa on arrival, steps like the electronic visas, all these steps actually help, and I think that we're on the right track now.
Visa on arrival by electronic travel authorization has been launched for 43 countries by the Ministry of Tourism.
तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रैवल अथॉराइजेशन देने के लिए हमने आईटी बेस्ड सिस्टम जो है तैयार किया है.
We have going to launch the electronic travel authorization and visa on arrival for 43 countries.
So you'll be given an authorization papers. Yes, you can now with this endorsement authorization and along with the tickets and the passport you can board the flight.
Achievers of the travel industry were awarded at the India Travel Awards Northern Edition.
आज इंडिया टूरिज्म दी ਵੱਲੋਂ जो एक बहुत बड़ा टूरिस्ट इंडस्ट्री ਦੇ महान व्यक्तियों ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦਾ ਆਯੋਜਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹਾਸਲ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ.
मैं दुआ करता हूँ DTP पब्लिकेशंस और उनके शानदार इनिशिएटिव की तारीफ करता हूँ.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Traf Talk TV, and do stay connected for more.